Tushar Mahajan from TechLab, and today we have got a gift from Xiaomi. Oh, where does it came from? Maybe it's a mystery. It has a pretty good finish on it with some numbers printed on it. Maybe it indicates what's inside. So let's quickly just unbox it and check what's inside. Alright, so now let's open the box. Rain Silencer Boundaries. Dear Mi fans, we challenge you to do a KSP review for the Redmi Note 10 Pro within just 30 seconds. Do you accept the challenge? Oh well, yeah.
Ready, 2, 1, go!
You get a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display along with a refresh rate of 120Hz. That makes it look super smooth. The camera behind has a huge 108 megapixel wide sensor camera along with the other supporting cameras and LED flash. And as far as the performance is concerned, this device contains the Snapdragon 732G chipset and the battery is 5020 mAh, also fingerprint sensor, which looks like a normal power button unlike the other side mounted fingerprint devices.
So this was my 30 seconds review for the new Redmi Note 10 Pro. But this phone has really more to offer. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you really like the video, don't forget to leave the thumbs up down below. And don't forget to subscribe to the video.